The power of trust. Why it's the foundation of relationships. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very meaningful phrase. Trust is everything. Understanding this phrase not only helps us with English comprehension but also offers valuable insight into interpersonal relationships and societal dynamics. Let's explore why trust is considered so crucial in all aspects of life. Trust is a belief in the reliability, truth, ability, or strength of someone or something. When we say, trust is everything, we're emphasizing that trust is the most important aspect in relationships, whether they're personal, professional, or social. Without trust, connections between people can become unstable or even fall apart. This section will explain the components of trust and how it acts as the glue in various types of relationships. Here, we'll look at practical examples of trust in action. Personal relationships. Trust between friends or family members creates a safe space for sharing thoughts and feelings. Workplace dynamics. Employees and employers must trust each other to maintain a productive work environment. Societal trust. Citizens' trust in their government and institutions is crucial for the smooth functioning of society. We'll explore how trust impacts these areas and what happens when it's broken. Building trust doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent actions over time. In this section, we'll discuss key behaviors that build trust, such as honesty, reliability, and openness. We'll also touch on how to rebuild trust after it's been damaged, highlighting the importance of communication and forgiveness. Trust is also essential in the educational context, especially in language learning. Students need to trust their teachers and the material they are learning. Moreover, learners must trust themselves and their own learning process. We'll discuss how fostering a trusting learning environment can enhance language acquisition and student confidence. Thank you for joining us today to explore the significance of the phrase, trust is everything. We hope this video has shed light on why trust is such a foundational aspect of all relationships and how understanding its importance can lead to stronger connections in every area of your life. Remember, building trust takes effort and time, but its impact is profound and far-reaching. Stay tuned for more insights into the English language and its real-world applications. See you in the next video.